Hey there, interwebs, and welcome back to How Fascinating. Today I'm going to teach you a life hack which will save you an amount of time. I can't say how large that amount is, because it's entirely dependent on how often you have to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you're going from sensible units of measure to crazy wizard units, the method I'm sure you were taught is to multiply by 9/5 and add 32. That's not so bad when the temperature ends in a 5 or a 0, but only 20% of integers are evenly divisible by 5. Case in point, what's 10 degrees in Fahrenheit? 10 over 5 is 2, times 9 is 18, plus 32 is 50. Not bad, but what's 13? Now you have to multiply 2 3/5 times 9, and ain't nobody got time for that. Instead, here's my simple two-step solution for when you need to express the temperature in the devil's numbers. Step 1, take the temperature in degrees Celsius and double it. Step 2, add 30. It's that simple. You see, the main difficulty of converting is dividing by 5 and multiplying by 9, but 9 over 5 is almost 2, so just double the number instead. The new number will be a little too high, assuming the starting temperature wasn't sub-freezing, but step 2 fixes that. Adding 32 is hardly difficult, but adding 30 is even easier. You just increase the tens place by 3. Since 30 is less than 32, it also balances out much of the overshoot caused by doubling. Let's test this new method out, shall we? What's 13 degrees Celsius on the salty scale? Double 13 is 26 plus 30 is 56. Done. Do you see how easy that is? Of course, 13 degrees Celsius is actually 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit, but that's only off by less than a degree. Plus, when someone asks what's the temperature like outside, no one says it's 55.4 degrees. We say, mid-50s, maybe bring a hoodie. The error value is 0 at 10 degrees Celsius or 50 Fahrenheit, and it will never be more than about 5 degrees Fahrenheit for the entire range of temperatures humans are actually meant to survive in, so it'll always work for everyday use. Personally, I consider the range of reasonable temperatures to go from 32 to 32. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the temperature at which water freezes and humans start losing body parts. 32 degrees Celsius is, rounded off, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's that hot, I don't go outside. I can break a sweat sitting still just by thinking too hard in the high 70s. More than 10 degrees above that, and I'll die of heat stroke. Damn Prussian genetics. 32 degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius are sort of the bookend temperatures outside of which humans won't survive, at least not comfortably. If you're a scientist or engineer making precision measurements, you shouldn't use my system, but you should also have a calculator on hand if you're doing that sort of thing. If you need to go the other direction, just take away 30 and have it. Now next time you need to go from intuitive units to obscure effing degrees, or vice versa, you'll hopefully have a much easier time of it. Thanks for watching, and have a fascinating day.